Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I use Cura for just about everything I print. Friends, we just updated to 4.7, and there's an issue I want to share, so my friends, let's get cracking. All right, friends, so when you install it, it asks, do you want to remove your old one, and then it asks if you want to keep configurations, and I chose remove, and I chose keep, because who doesn't want their printers saved? So when I go to printers and I go to any of my A10s, and I pick these because they've got virtual extruders, let me show you what happens when I look at the Manage Printer button. When I go to Machine Settings and stretch it down, the code here is gone. I have many lines of code that I use for my profile, and they get wiped out, and the button for shared heater is gone as well. Now, I've printed with it, even though that shared heater thing is not there, but I'm not sure how the system knows that my 8 extruders are virtual instead of real. So real quick, let me show you how I get back my settings. I've got a YouTube video that shows you how to flash, and right here it shows you how to do Cura near the middle, and in the middle of my details I have got a document that has the codes I use. So notice this is my gradient, which I enjoy, and then this is the start code that I use with the 3D printer. So I'm going to copy this quick. Let's move back to Cura, and I'm going to just paste that in with a Control V. If you've never seen this before, real quickly, we're defining the values of each extruder. So the first one is 100% on for the first extruder, so that's why it's 1, 0, and 0. And then the rest I found when mixing my colors, and I use the primary colors red, yellow, and blue. I can make pretty nifty colors of green, orange, and purple by doing an 80-20 mix. So that's why everything else is 0.2 and 0.8. And I'm going to close, and I'm close, and I'm ready to print for the rest of the day. But watch this, when we close that and we launch it again, it immediately, and it'll take a second for it to load, but just so you can see that this is all how it happens every time, it's not there. Settings, printer, manage printers, machine settings, wiped it out again. Once again, I love Cura. You guys have been taking great care of us, but I do want you to know that this is broke, and it would be awesome if it was fixed soon. So if you haven't actually installed 4.7 yet, make sure you either choose to keep 4.6, because it does ask if you want to uninstall it, or maybe just make sure you copy all your printer profiles so you've got that in case you need it. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.